What's up, gamers? Okay, this needs to be there. How do I do this? Edit. There we go. Okay, good. I'm streaming in HEVC to Oven Media Engine. I needed to use the flat pack version of OBS to do it. I don't know why it doesn't have the option in the package version. I'm numb. Oh, okay. Oh my goodness. Well, I guess I have to work now, huh? Who? Yeah, no, there's nothing. It's me. It's me. Okay. Okay. And then I go here. And everything works. Awesome. Awesome. Hey, let's do some math. Alright. I am actually thinking this might not turn out as well as I am hoping. Oh, so for the face crawler here, this is the AI version. So I get DT. Yeah, extrapolate ratio. That makes sense. Okay, so well, but I guess it's that is very sweet. Yeah, no, that doesn't work at all. Actually, what I was thinking is like, oh yeah, I would just pre-do the formula to solve the point of intersection, and then substitute it in to the trajectory, and then what I would get would be the exact position. But no, you've got like square roots and stuff in there. Okay, it is cold. I don't know how it's cold in the middle of summer, but it is. So why? Oh yeah, that's right. I'm lowering the precision. I forgot. N is big, right? Yeah. 32. That's 4. Where's N? There it is. Jeez. Yeah, it's all there, right? You know what? This is dumb. I can do the derivative of this equation, right? Oh my god. Why did I not do that? Be right back. Funky Beach Shack. Oh, Funky Beach Shack. Oh, why did I not think of this? Did I just drool? I did. Wow. Bruh. Alright, I'll be right back. Apparently the coffee is tasty when I want to drink it. Coffee. Just load it up with sugar. Okay. So this is one way to do it. But oh no, the AI figured it out actually. Yeah, I'm stupid. Yeah. Okay. That's sad. I'm scammed. Okay. So this is square rounding fix. So I'm gonna start from like here. What's that? Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. How do I say this? Okay, so apparently we don't need that, and apparently this is like, I mean, it's totally goofy in the first place. Apparently, okay, I can't believe it. So I can actually keep these coefficients exactly, and just use them. Jeez. Let PVA Okay, and then all right. Well, let's do the derivative real quick. So it's p plus v times t plus a squared time no t squared a t squared. I actually don't know if it's over 2. No, it's zeros, so it's not over 2. Okay, bruh. And then just take the derivative. So that's v plus 2a t. And then we want that. So this is the velocity, but it's a scalar and it's going into the plane. Excuse me. Okay. Why don't I like? Oh, jeez. I'm a fan of bit shifting. I probably shouldn't do it because it like looks, but like the compiler can't really figure it out because these types are like not crazy. Hi. I've realized that this code is stupid. And that sucks. What? Okay. I need to calculate this value. Did you just start the stream? 10 minutes ago. Yeah. So this is the part that's stupid right here. Because this is doing a bunch of extra calculations that are already done here. So I can just reuse these values and say, I forget how to work with these stupid ratios. Basically what I need is 2a dt plus v. But it's a freaking ugh. Yeah. I don't remember. Probably I'll find some in like here. Jesus. Okay, yeah, I need to mute that. Okay, where's this stupid ratio stuff? Which one's return ratios? Reduced. Build a map for Roblox Bhop. Anyone can build a map. There's a contest going on right now, actually. I think the prize pool is $400. You have to build a map with the theme of Evanescent, which might be kind of hard to work with, but that's the theme. Oh, it's a surf map competition actually. So never mind. I guess if you want to make a Beehive map, you can still make a Beehive map. Definitely join the Discord. And talk to the map makers in the map making channel. What am I looking for? Right. So this is the map submission website, and there's also a map test place. Definitely talk to the other map makers, and they can help you with a lot of stuff. They will actually be better than me at helping you because I just write the code, but they're actually making the maps, so they'll know all the things about making maps. Where's a goddamn ratio? You know, I guess it's equals to 0. There's a whole website. Yeah, as of last year, I made it. So this is negative here. So I could move this to the other side. And then move the denominator. Does that work? 32. Yeah, that totally works. I forget. So is negative. This is. Oh, but there's a problem with dividing by negative numbers. Yeah. Mm. I don't remember what I do about this. Oh. I mean, I know that I could just make an if statement. Why don't we look in the ratio module? Actually, that would work, wouldn't it? I could just ratio comp, and it just knows to do it when it's doing the stuff. Cool. Yeah, no, I think that's probably the best way. Well, no, because it's flat out like this. Ratio new. I think these didn't work at some point. Sucks that I couldn't make this good. Shut. Sign trait. Float the sign to the numerator. These were both completely wrong. Fix ord. Nice. I love it when I just do math wrong. Denominator parity. It flips the inequality when you divide by a negative number. So I want this like inequality as is. Ratio is set up to compare against other ratios and not do a times b plus c equals 0. Mole ratio is ratio. I totally have it somewhere. I think it's in physics. Oh, this will take forever. What's up with this? ID. Okay. Nice one. Oh, maybe it's in the lib. I have freaking no idea. Damn, there's so much crap. Unmaintainable. I'm just looking for like a t plus v type situation where t is a ratio. Oh, it just sucks because like if I write this out, then I have to write it out everywhere. What do you think of age verification on Roblox? It's not just Roblox. The whole world is trying to spy on people in the name of Save the Children. And then when the spying tools are turned against them, they're suddenly shocked. What? I thought this was to save the children. I lied. Okay, I'm not going to find anything in here. All right, why don't I just write it and then go from there. Oh goddamn. Right. Constructing a ratio and floating the negative numbers to the top would be quite convenient. And I could do it branchless. Or I should be able to. Okay, what? Oh, it's exactly right here. Okay. What happened here? Okay, there it is. Yeah. DTLM plus velocity. You what? Clamp. Divide clamp is what I went for? Really? Okay, well, this is exactly what I was looking for. Okay. Well, it'll work. It'll work. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. Okay, so that's what's up, right? Um. NV is so nice. Okay, DT times divide clamp plus V. For real. Expected 2 arguments. Lying. Min max. Oh, freaking ord. Lying? What? Oh. 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 So it only did this because there's no ord. Integer clamp. I see. What about it? You're telling me I've got ord here? Fixed ord is all fixed ord? I guess it is. Jeez. What's this? 32. Is that how it is? Clamp. I don't know. So this is wrap. I forget. It must be like this. Oh, it likes it. All right. Dude, I have no freaking clue. We could just wrap, right? Okay, so this is something. And then... So it's supposed to be like this. I'm just yoinky, spelunky. Okay, so is negative, and then A... It's literally A. A is negative. Bum. And that's on God. It's freaking nasty. Yeah. Yeah, that's freaking nasty. Okay, I'm seeing an opportunity here. Actually, okay, so find all references. Yeah. Okay, so all of these are looking for... Okay, yeah. So all of them are just comparing against 0, but inside of this, it's doing a it's rounding. But what can be done is the operation. So it's like this equals 0, right? Or is this less than 0 type situation? And so you can move this term to the other side, and then you have a ratio. Oh, this is maybe not as good of as good of an example, as good of a way it can be done. Divided by 2. My bruh. Ooh. That's no good. What's over here? Ratio n1 plus? You're allowed to just plus? Nuts. It's so bad. Body ratio dt. Where is that used? In one spot. So that one does actually make sense as is to do the rounding and stuff, because you're just rounding into the final. To do to avoid this division. It's a freaking huge division. This is like yeah, no, this is terrible. You know, I guess actually yeah, no, this is garbage. Such calm, relaxing music. Equals 0. There you go, bud. We can actually say dt. We could even put spaces in there. Space. No, don't be ridiculous. That'd be absurd. Can you imagine? Okay, so yeah. Well, I mean, okay, it's not. Oh. It's so bad. Don't do division. Do not divide. Okay, what if I say, denominator. Oh, God. Okay, so 2a2, wait, where'd the 2 go? Oof, I lost the 2. Let me add the 2. Okay, do it, okay? Dude. What is this? Better. It's something is better. It doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm gonna say, hey, I did it. Okay, so this should function the same, or similar at least. Yeah, it actually is similar because it's doing a completely different calculation. Symbolically, they end up at the same result, but the rounding points are probably different. Well, it does actually happen with integers. Is it doing a mapped divide? Map element divide. Yes. Yes. So this one is doing a division per element before. Oh my god, how big is that division? Good lord, what is happening in there? Oh, that's massive. What am I doing? This is actually faster as is, as written. Bro is dividing. This is right. So I'm not actually dividing. Hell yeah. Big. Okay, I do it. I do it. So it is D Vigo. Okay, Vigo. So negative V goes on this side. Oh god. And then dt dot num stays on this side, and dt dot den goes on that side. Yeah. And then we also need to make sure it's positive. No way. Am I allowed to just smash it like that? Yes, I am. Ugh, so good. Okay. Ugh. You see that this is where the like ratio construction float thing would come in handy. Oh, this is dumb. Everything is dumb. Oh my god. Uh. Love this music. Write it. Write it. Okay, dt dot num. Am I doing copy sign? I don't know, man. Just write something. Just write something that doesn't divide. Freak. Is 0. That's comp, isn't it? Freak. Comp. Freak. No, comp. Is that allowed? Yes. If dt.den is negative, reverse situation. Some BS like this would work. And then now we say is less than, so if it's less than 0, and like this, and that's how you do. That'll do it. God, that freaking sucks. It's probably faster though. Oh yeah, it's definitely fast. Well, the division is just so huge. I have no idea. Like, it's what, 200 microsecond? No, I forget how big the latency is when you do a branch. I guess you branch predict. I don't know. It's not worth thinking about because it's not slow enough. Actually, it is the bottleneck of the program, but like this is what I don't want to write every single time it's doing this operation. Oh, I could actually swap this for that. That would work. Ugh. I saw a Rusty blog post. Please. I need it. Jeez. Useless. Rust pin alternative. What, RFC? That's not. I think that's stupid. What? I forget. Move. Can I do this here, please? Is it gonna like kill me? All right, we can search for a pin. What? 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 Is this the one? What is this? No. Alright, I can't find it. Unlucky. There's a thing where you can make types that are not allowed to be memcopied, or not memcopied, moved. Move semantics. So you can't like pass by value. Not allowed. So anything that would result in the value getting moved to a new memory location is not allowed. Which is really cool. Oof. So you're right. So in my head, the solution to this mess is to float the denominator of ratio. If it's negative, float the negative sign to the top on construction, and then instead of branching every time, hello, where's the lib? Oh, instead of branching every time you do anything ever like this, you know for a fact that the denominator is positive. So it doesn't, when you cross multiply, it doesn't require parity. And so that's GG. But I wasn't going to work on that today. But like, ratio. Yay, ratio float sign. Delete ratio, nice. Specialize, question mark. What is that? Oh, I see. Okay. Delete ratio is that's something. So I was thinking that the denominator would be by definition unsigned. And then the fractional parts are combined. Wow, that's pretty good. Hey, so using the division sign is stupid. It would have to be like ratio new. What happens when you have max? Because then, oh no, it's unsigned. That's right. So it's like unsigned abs. Yeah. Delete ratio EO question mark. Evaluate a ratio at a specific precision. That's Gooby. NF. Oh no. Numerator fractional, denominator fractional. Oh no. To do think this is completely wrong. Lol. Me when I don't think. New type is crap. Valid denominator. Oof. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Yeah. Okay. I have to do it in the constructor. Ratio float sign. So I'm just like deleting stuff. Why don't I rebase and we'll have a good time. Okay, let's go for almost the same, but the constructor does more. Hey man. Oh jeez. The sign always. Oh, I see. Oh. So this is generic ratios. Okay, I see. This is generic types. So this is any type. Inline always. And so you don't know if it's an integer here. Ooh. God. it just seems like a really good idea to get rid of that stuff. Does this not work? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ratio, good God, what was it called? Yeah, okay. Delete ratio. Okay, so I said the fractional part is just one guy. Basically, you'd have to like subtract. Right, and that's const-generics. Once again, const-generics kicking my ass by not existing. What the hell is that? What the hell is this diagram? Okay, numerator's 8 bits. That looks like 4 bits, my good man. Oh. No, it's 8 bits like that. Alright, bro. So, fractional 4 bits. There's the fractional bits. So this is like, in my mind, it's like 1 bit per digit. Binary. It's binary with fractional part. So these are like zeros or ones as well. So 0.1 is 1/2 in binary. 0.11 is 75%. 3/4. Okay, and then this is also 8 bits, but with 3 fractional bits. So then how do you end up there? Hey man, so it's like here. This is what the. Oh, this is a shift left, and this is a shift right. All right. What is 10? What are you smoking? Equals 10. Oh. Shift left by. So like the idea is that these are just integers, and you can just store the integers. But then the fractional. Oh, I'm just giving you the answer. Okay, that's 10. Oh. But wait, df. df is 3. So this is up 3, down 4. What? So is that 1? Am I stupid? Yeah, look at that. It's 1. So this is 4 divided by 4. So it's literally. DF minus NF, right? These nuts. NF4. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, that's how it works. I think there was like 6 right there. So you can say the final shift is this or that, and you should just be able to have a F. Ugh. So problem here is that there's no const generics, so I can't actually do this like good, which is stupid. What the hell are evaluate? Linear comp. That's probably the best way to do it right now. Is just add a linear comp method and just make it more confusing. But he would handle all the stuff. I want it to be good, man. Why can't I just make it good? Fixed wide ratio. I think this makes sense. It's just really confusing. I wonder if I get AI to write it. Is is there is this out yet on Sloth? Can we go? No, it's not out yet. No. Help. 3.6. 3.8. No. Collection. 3. What do you mean 3? Oh. Oh, is that the like very first one? Is there like 3.1? No. Okay. Damn, these are tiny. Who cares about models from a year ago? Filter by... Okay, whatever. No. Release the model. Release the model. Right. It won't actually do it. It's not smart enough. That's why I was trying to get to the new one. I don't want to use AI, man. Someone else's computer. So I don't. Okay, yay. Delete ratio. Is this the right idea?
This is completely wrong. LHS, RHS.
Why is it LHS? That's not... That doesn't make any sense. Yeah. New type is crap. Don't new type. Hey, what? Oh wait, okay, delete. Right. What is that? Oh no, that has that's no. It's crap. All of my options are garbage. This is it's promising though. It's just really confusing. What the hell? I think I delete it because like it's garbage. Come back. No, where did it go? What is it called? Delete. It's called delete. All right, give me that and pop. Yeah. Okay. What do you want? Who is this? Lib suspicious arithmetic. All right. Not quite, my brother. Delete. Yeah. There you go. Okay. Ah, okay. Ratio. This is not real. What is it called? Fixed int. All right, bro. Uh, so int, haha, lol. What? Integer for real. Do we signed? Okay, no, that's literally not what I want. We want integer, the full shebang. Well, we could say uint. Yeah, no, it is. Uint int. That's juice. How do you? Yeah, so it's like this. Do we want this crap? It's kind of crap. Oh my god. Int uint with a lowercase I type situation. What is a D? D's. So this is NFDF. It's bad. Does it make a difference? DF is 3, so this is 5 trillion. 10. What? DF shift left 3 10 shift right 4. So 10 shift left 3 is 10,000. 10,000 shift right 4 is 1. In binary. Ten in binary is 2. I think you can do it. I think you can say F. You can have a singular F. Oh, it's always positive, that's right. Yeah, so okay, think. Wait a second. I am confusion. In times 64. Why is this not compiling? Are we trolling? Does this require? Yeah, okay. It doesn't exist, my good man. Do not do this. Do not do this. No. 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 What happens? Lib? No. What? Strafe lib. Okay. Lib. Huh? Whatever. Wait. Yeah, no, I want to go there. Okay, cargo build. For real. Okay, it can't work. Huh? Graphics. Huh? Oh. Wait, really? Graphics directly depends on it? You're lying. Common directly depends on it. That's goofy. Okay, you good, bro? Are you good, bro? Failed to read. Oh, I didn't delete it from the big goob. Yeah, there you go. Delete. Okay. Come on, bro. What do you want? Huh? Select a version. Huh? Huh? Huh. The who did this? Graphics, right? What? No. Common. Oh. Okay, can we like find this? Oh my god, bro. Okay, so that's the only spot. Kill. There you go, dude. Surely. Okay, now we finally get answers. I'm looking at a week-long refactor here, but like it's a suck less refactor. Make that suck less. It sucks mega hard. And doing this will make, oh my god. Yeah. Do not do this. Do not do this. Do not do this. This is very bad. This is very bad. Very, very bad. Do not do this. Do not do this. Very, very bad. I should be able to just freaking. Whoa. What happened? Who found nothing? Are you lying? Huh? Oh, it's trolling. Good lord. Bint. Who is Bint? Oh, it's ratio. Alright. What do you want? Ratio. True. So true. 100% true. Give me the numbers. Alright, bro. Wait. There you go, dude. Evaluate to an arbitrary precision. This is freaking stupid. What? What is num? You're lying. Wait, really? Yeah, no, I didn't think so. Huh? Are you daft? What is RHS? What do you mean RHS? Okay, what is bits? I forget. What did it change to? From bits to bits. There you go, bruh. Not real. Integer. Oh. Dot bits. Oh, not real. Wait. Oh. What? It's just that. That's it. It's just there. Okay. Oh god. Shift left. This is completely wrong. This is like okay. Yeah, no, this is stupid. This, I mean, it does. Okay. X bits of precision. So I'm very confused. The goal is to calculate the fraction with n bytes of precision and f fractional bits. Ugh. How did he do that? So do you literally like isn't this is like wrong. Yeah, no, that's totally wrong. This is how you do. It's one, but makes it bigger. You can't. Oh. Well, no, I guess that's how it goes, eh? Is you go left to n, divide, and then that's your f-ish minus? Freak, I don't know, man. Mm-hmm. Shift left. Shift left DF, right? What a no. Okay, yeah, right. That should work. Who are you? U32. All right, bro. Shut the up. Right, it's compile time. It doesn't matter. So this is the shift left DF, but that's but there might not be enough bits. Right, that's where the whole multiplication tables come in, because there's no constant generics, so you can't get full precision. I would love to just never evaluate ratios. I think that would be optimal and have absolutely zero divisions. But you gotta. Hey. How do we fix this? What do you want? Multiplicative. Are we trolling? Oh, here it is. Oof. Okay. CFG not. So that's like true, basically. And this is false. What do you want? CFG all true. Yeah. Okay. That's GG. Wait, real? Okay. There you go, bro. Not YMall. Why is it still trolling me? Oh, it's trolling. Oh my god. Okay, it actually builds. It's just trolling. Mm. Alright. Delete, 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 right? Delete, delete. Oh, no, this is something else. Huh? 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 Please. What is this? Ugh. Right? And that can all go together. Who is this? Yeah, okay. So delete, 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 delete. Surely. Yay. Delete it. Delete it. Okay, and then this is like stupid, stupid, stupid. Right? And now, yeah, okay. There you go, boss. Yeah. Ugh. I like to play guitar. It'd be nice if the proc macro server didn't do that. Wait, what is this? Did we find it again? Deferred. Oh, jeez. Is there another? What's 530, 530? It's just trolling. Okay. What? That's not how it works. Shouldn't that just always... Oh. Oh, okay. That's... Wait, what? Oh. Wait, what? I don't know. It doesn't matter. I don't care. Okay. I needed to make new first. So this is wrong. Arf. I don't know. Whatever. It doesn't matter. So now we do like shift right, out F minus DF U32. God damn it. No. No, it's completely wrong. It's implicitly got those bits. I got those bits, you know what I'm saying? So If it's one, that's not gonna work. NF minus out of, right? So you shift right less if you got more F. Whoa. But then you have like signed shifting problems. This whole thing is just totally wrong. Alright. Alright. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. What I really want is new. Num. Oh god. Num int. Den int. For real. This is how you do. And then it like unsigned abs self. Oh boy. Oh. Right. It's fixed. Wait. NF. Fixed. DF. For real. And then. Oh gosh. Huh? That's how you do it, right? And then. Den equals den unsigned hello bits 2 bits unsigned abs. That's how you do, and it gives you a integer false, right? Real, and then I have to toggle the sign of the numerator based on that. Num equals basically den is negative, and then that's how we do. And then self, oh god, to bits, numden, and is that appropriate? Negate if is a cool function name. Okay, so this is like a little bit wibbly because if this is the minimum negative number, then it can overflow. This one can't overflow though, so that's juicer. What about 0? Do I need to check 0? Row. Okay, well that's nice. Are these all const? Holy const. Amazing. We love const. So, construct a new ratio floating all negative signs to the numerator. The purpose of the lib. Her. So it only breaks everything. That's all. Oh my. Not real. Ooh. Who is this? Ratio. Probably. Freak. Huh? N D N F D F. That's unlucky. But that's what it is, right? So it's like 8 8 32 32 XD. Riders on the storm. Yeah. About that. So what's this? What? Okay. Yeah. 8 8. It's one more. 16 64. Hey, let's go. Yes, sir. That's what we like to see. Not bad, not bad. Interesting. So this is then numerator denominator. Probably I should change the argument order here so it's numerator denominator N N F D D F. So like this. So we had 1664 here. All right, who else? Who did this? Okay, we go like this. We go like huh. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Oy, okay, go back. Yeah, N F D D F. That's how you do. For real. Okay, it's trolling. Huh? That's right. So we can't get the T. Oh, what? That's not real, right? T. We. Yeah. I don't know. True. Very true, very true, very true. Element of PQR. Numden. God, why is this busted? BVH integer array situation. This is nightmare fuel. I'm thinking that I don't include integer division. I don't know. This is a little bit better than I had before, but it still just looks like a nightmare. I wonder if I can make a... No, I probably can't. Everything is so hard. Everything would be better if the ratio floated the sign to the top, but that's just so invasive, and I brain cannot brain. So like these cancel out, right? Is that ever is there okay, what if NF is 0, DF is like 4? Then it's just a big integer. What if DF is 0, NF is 4? That's different, right? The F. Do you really need both? Okay, I suppose it can be like a signed number, right? It's the same thing. It should be. So like this would be, it's a bigger number. This is it's a smaller number. But then, oh, this is like saved for later, isn't it? Juicer. Sort of incomprehensible amount of work. No wonder I didn't finish making this. Yeah, and this doesn't really work. It's like this is the end result that you want, but you can't do it. There was two things that I came up with, which was having a new type that guarantees it's positive. That's ass. Having a trait that guarantees it's positive. That's ass. So then I came up with this new idea, which was to delete the module entirely and replace it with a specialized one that uses an implementation just for fixed point numbers. And this does seem like the path to success, but very rocky. The ratio in general is very rocky. In the first place. I'm death. This is tricky. Have I really been going for 2 hours? Why does it say that? What the hell is wrong with YouTube? Why does it say 1 hour 39 minutes out of 2 hours and 30 minutes? Huh? I wonder what happens to the bitrate if I play the game. Oh. Because I switched to HEVC. Uh-oh. Okay. Exit. 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 Play the game. Whoa, Bhop's so popular. It goes to 50 megabits. Interesting. Ugh. I forget. How do you do it? Is the stream like stuttering? Encoding overloaded. Bro. Really, dude? It is encoding overloaded. Oh no, 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 no. Okay, so we want to change to single pass. It's already single pass. Well, it can't go any. It can't go any lower. Oh my. It is. That is on edge. It is like 96% encoder usage. What does it go down to? Damn. Oh, why does it do that? That's annoying. Single pass. I have everything disabled. Can I like change the encoder settings mid recording? I don't think I can. How do I make this whole? So I deleted the module. I have this constructor that probably works. It works in. It doesn't work in one single case. And that is, well, no, I guess negative denominator and a negative numerator that's the maximum negative value is the one case it doesn't work. Oh, should I have unsigned fixed? Seems reasonable. Especially with the crazy Beant type. We even have like an overflow mode. Have 10 trillion constant parameters. Are you building games for Roblox in Rust? No, I'm building our game in Rust. Strafe. Oh, this is not gonna work. Master branch. Yeah, go for it. We go. Build. Alright, how does it like this? Okay, that goes to 100% encoder usage as well. What Git tool is that? It is Sublime Merge by the same people who made Sublime Text. How does the stream look? A little bit stuttery, yeah. Encoding is overloaded by just a bit. That sucks. Oh. Does it go down if I hang around? I'm just hanging around. Yeah, it does. Good old days of CSGO. This is the game engine. This is the custom game engine. Is the game open source software? No. It's currently it's source available. You can view the source code, but it's not open source. As in like look at the license. License, copyright me. Don't sell it or I'll sue you. But part of it is open source. Like the these components here, I do have some of it open source. Do you accept patches? Good luck coming up with a patch. I have in the past. Who fixed this? Who was it that fixed? Oh, it was right. It was on a different project. It was the where's the bot thing? Bot player. I think it was here. Yeah, this guy changed one little thing, but it was a bug that I didn't figure out, and it fixed a real problem. It was great. Yeah, you can totally try this out for yourself. If you go to releases, it'll tell you how to run it. I've been working on this for 3 years. I'm kind of stuck. I guess I'm not stuck anymore. there's a bug where if you walk over here, you fall through the ground before you reach the edge. And I've been trying to fix that for 2 years. And then last week on Thursday, someone sent me an AI patch that fixes the bug I've been working on for 2 years. It's a terrible fix, but it sure does something. And so I've been like dissecting that AI patch. So like here's the patch down here. AI patch, 58 lines of code changed. And it touches a bunch of different parts. There's like 5 components to the fix. Or 4, I guess. Which explains why I couldn't figure it out, because it's like whack-a-mole where like I'm like honing in on one problem, but in reality there's 4 different problems that are conspiring to break the physics. And you have to fix them all at once. So my invariants were broken. It was garbage in, garbage out. Oh, three parts. There's testing for the wrong thing. The exact the degenerate case for parabolas on the surface, and then rounding square root values, which is crazy. Round down, never pass the crossing. Oh, okay, I see. Okay. I didn't get this. The floored radical. Okay, so it's not a problem with the square root function. It's the fact that it appears in both the numerator and the denominator. I see. Okay, so this is basically throwing. A1 is positive. True, false. What the hell? Yeah, this is garbage. What the hell? This is redoing this match. You can literally just inline it. God. I don't know why I didn't see that before. Let me try to fix it. A2. Okay. Here we go. Uh, oof. Ah, I don't know. I don't know. Why? Okay, so this it's saying if it's exact, then you're chilling. Otherwise, but like, surely I can grab that inside the square root. Where is the square root? It's at the bottom here, isn't it? Is it? I forget. Yeah, no, there it is. Whew, okay. What's up? Three. Over the input value. The result is too big. Put it back. Oh, nice. Okay, so it's not. Oh, it is. Unlucky. Oh. So they're just checking every single bit. Okay. Cringe, I guess. Okay. Freak. Where's the thingy? God, go here. Okay. Where was I? Wrap, my brother. I forgot. Um, okay, and then you can just do this match. So, this equals that is like these cases. True, true, false, false. So that's A2. So it says in these two cases, A2 is the big one. And then these two cases, A2 is the little one. It's stupid. Okay. Why don't we use smaller names? So, Um. Um. Some of that. Okay. The. The. So when he there, RI. So this is RI, this is RI. Okay. And then if A0 is what the hell? What happened? What happened? Are you okay? N. Wrap N. Widemall NN. That's how it works, isn't it? Oh, it's freaking okay, it's not quite as juicer as I thought. A0. Okay, so that's for. Okay, I see. It's for deciding that. Is that even right? Why would that happen? Doesn't that only matter this? A1 is positive. Okay, so this is saying so that applies to all four of those. I mean, I'm not actually sure what's going on. So anywhere. Okay. Here. This is stupid. I'm really upset that this works. Squirt seal. This is stupid. Um. Situation. Okay, so then that's this, but better. This is not necessary, and then this is stupid, which I tried to fix in this garbage code right here, but it was dumb. Try it. Let's see. Did I fix the bug? I forget what is. Okay, yeah, okay. Just use this. Please. Oh. It's bad. Okay, but does it work? Is it the same thing but better? It's this one, right? Yeah, okay. There's no way. Wow. Yeah, okay. But it breaks. I don't know why that's the window behavior. Does this work? Wow. Okay, and then it, wow. Okay, so that does fix the bug. But I hate it really hard. Use zeros count. There's an even better way. Well, kind of. I'm so close to giving up. It's so messy. It's so messy. Instead of being like, yes, I know exactly the math that handles all cases. It's like, well, in this one single freaking pixel, it doesn't work. And then it actually shows up in the game. Okay, so even with my changes, radicand is the inside of a square root. What do you call the result of a square root? I don't remember. How can I keep working and do good? Okay, it just seems impossible. Oh. And even with these patches, it's like it has a new bug. Fix one bug, introduce a new bug, and it's probably just as hard because like it's an infinite loop bug. Probably. Oh, I wonder if it's because I allow. Well, no, that doesn't make sense. No, that no, it's no. Oh, was that solved by the Minkowski transfer? I don't know. It's cool. I'm a tired. I like that I did something here. That's nice. Delete ratio is a good idea. Very difficult though. I am interested in doing that. Big fan of my new function. That's awesome. Garbage, garbage, garbage. Garbage all around. Everything is garbage. Who wrote this garbage? To delete. This is the best idea I've ever had. Not actually. Delete all of the code that I wrote. And just start over. For this module, not everything. Huh. Yeah, no, I could add algebraic numbers to, is it algebraic? It's, radicals. That would be funny. I already have ratio, so haha. Yeah, you can always do it with integers, which is pretty cool. You have a it always takes the form of the golden ratio, where it's like 1 plus square root of 5 over 2, integer, integer, integer. Oh, yeah, no. Well, no. If I did that, it's a radical? Would the radical need a sign? Because like 1 plus the square root of 5 over 2. 1 minus the square root of 5 over 2. I don't know. If you had a what's it called? A sign on the outside, then you wouldn't need it on the radical. I guess that's just equivalent. I don't think that's worth it. That's an absolutely insane thing to do. And it doesn't it like it's just like one more step. The ratio thing is convenient because I can change things into cross multiplication and avoid divisions. But then I go ahead and divide anyway a lot of the time. Should I just stop doing? Don't divide. It really is mentally taxing to work on this. I've only been up 2 hours. I'm all tuckered out. I want a unit test for this. And I want floated sign ratios for this, but that's a full rewrite, which I am willing to do, but I don't know if I can even figure it out. I did start on it. This is nice. This is a good start. This is stupid. Remove divide. Remove divide. Yeah, I want to remove divide. Have a constructor. Let's see. Divide. Oh, nice. Div sign. Okay. Impl divide operator. Don't do it. Don't do it. So then that just means anytime you try to do this, it just doesn't do it. T min. Is that ord? I don't know. Ratio new. Ratio new. Do it. No div. We'll try that. And then anytime you got div, is it? How does it? It's what? It's. Oh, wait. Impl div assign. Are you trolling? And it's still there, my guy. What's up with this? Oh, it's not real. Okay. Oh, what the hell? More crap. Not feature. Okay, and then don't. What happened? Who did this? Oh. Oof. Okay. Are you cut? Stop trolling. Can't compare. Zeros. 16. What? Hey. Is it like that? Jesus. Okay. You can do it. Okay, so then now div is not real, right? Bro, stop making it real. It's not real. What happens? True. Very true. True. I guess I literally just deleted it, so. Because it's Git. I have the history. Please? Thank you. Wait. Where did this come from? What? Did I not just do that? What? Multiple. Div. What? Oh, it's something else. Okay. Jesus. Do I lose another ding dong? No? Okay. Will you tell me to go away yet? Hello, game. Is it because of this? No. It's just trolling. What? T divide. Are you like, it's just lying. Rust. What is that? Wide operators. Div for fixed. Just don't. No div. Do not div. Wide div. Who did this? Oh. I see. Yeah, that's unlucky. Okay. Unlucky. That's unlucky. Ooh. N Oh, it's this. Okay. Real. Okay, so then comma m woo, ratio new do 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 do. This is kind of sucking. It's pretty sucky. Nice. Okay, got him. Tests lie. Doesn't implement debug. All right, dude. Wait, what? Oh, zero's normal. Oh, true. I get it. Damn. Lying, debug, lying. How many? We'll just like we want this basically. Default? Get out of here. What do you mean default? There's no way. Default. Terrible. Okay, what do you want? Doesn't implement debug. That's a straight up lie. Oh. Dude. Oh. You know, it should be fine. Oh. Oh, I have a special man for debug, right? Debug. Game. Yeah. Great pain. Great pain. Great pain. I basically just want to write this twice. But it doesn't really work completely. What is that? If I had a U fixed, unsigned, I could just use that. Alright. Alright. We're doing it the bad way. Wait. Is that possible? This bits. Yeah, it is possible. Alright. We're just gonna take the L. Okay, so this is already how it is. Freak. Yeah, literally, we literally do not care. Okay, so, gnome. Gnome. Yep. And then F is NF. And then, there you go, buh. And then, question mark, semicolon type situation. Den DF DF D real den is negative is false. Let's go, baby. There you go. Gnome. Cool. Unsigned abs ain't. There's no need because it already is. Situation. What is that? Unlucky. What is that? Unlucky. How did I freak? N freak. Benum. Okay, that's the L. We took the L. Let's go. Okay. Now, times 3. Can I just say -3? Is that allowed? Okay. Okay, so that was a little bit crazy. No div. So yeah. I don't know, dude. This is wait. No, yeah, that's right. That is part of no div. I guess this is too. But it's like I don't know. Whatever. This is all no div. Because like it changes the tests. Okay, how we do? What do you want? Matrix vector lie. Right. Not real. I guess. Config not feature. There you go. And then yes feature is this. And it should be okay because it like has a trait bound on the div trait. Feature equals. Are you good, bro? And then it's not used, right? Oh my god. Ratio new. We don't need it. No div. No div. No. No. Right, this is totally not happening. Wee, 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 wee. This is not as bad as I thought. Ratio new DT. So that's just expanding the ratio. This one is just a little guy. God, what the hell is this? That's okay, right. So it's not going into the whole physics because the dependency crates aren't compiling. No div. No balls. Oh, good job, good job. Okay, we got lots of new stuff. Very real, very real. Common fixes. Very real, very real. Can this go after? Probably that's good to go like that. Alright, good job. Oi, oi, oi. Needs to work its way up. Common. How does this work? So this is like time from any ratio. I don't know how that works. I don't even know if I use it. Time from any ratio. Right, I do use it. Divine clamp. Ugh. Oh. Hey, what's up? I'm trying to redo the way that I do ratios to suck less, but it's really hard because it sucks really hard and it's like dependent on everywhere. What's the project? I'm making a game engine. It's basically a game that is its own engine. I've been stuck on a bug for 2 years. And I'm on one of my fanciful sprees to try to fix the bug. So this is the bug right here. You go like this. You fall through the ground before you reach the edge. That's the bug. And then on Thursday, a friend of mine sent me an AI patch that fixes the bug I've been stuck on for 2 years. So I spent last week dissecting the bug. Or Friday, really. Dissecting the AI patch, and basically the problem is that it was actually 4 bugs in one, and I was only looking at one at a time, and assuming that it was like everything was correct in each case, but it's sort of a garbage in, garbage out situation, which is why I couldn't fix it. So I guess like the problem was that I never wrote unit tests. Kind of. I never proved that the functions that I was using worked the way that I thought that they worked. It's really one of my weaknesses is that I just assume that everything I do is correct. And so when it gets big enough, it just falls apart. I can't believe all the things that I've built successfully. I want to be smarter. I want to be able to hold more moving pieces in my head at once. See how they all fit together. Imagine all of the edge cases. Think of a solution. Solves all the edge cases. But instead of that, I just get depressed that I can't. Is it fixed now? No. The code that the AI wrote was like kind of garbage, but it found all of the pieces, right? So like it made the game run 20 times slower and crash. But the bug was clearly addressed to some extent. Which is why I've been dissecting it, and like it's sort of inspiring various refactors that I was already sort of planning to do. Like it's like confirming different suspicions I've had over the years. But at the same time, it's like demotivating me. Because, like, why am I needed anymore? I can just write it all instead. But it obviously can't. Really, what it comes down to is what I was saying before, is I wish I were smarter and could hold more things in my head. That's the AI's strong point, is that it can see all of the code at once. And then act on that. It's not actually very smart or creative. It's just got a bigger brain, bigger working memory. But it's definitely getting better all the time. Won't be long. I hate this square root rounding fix. It like changes the function for everyone because of one case, but it really is only used for that one case. What kind of game are you building? It is a jumping game where you jump. Is it gonna lag? Yeah, it's gonna lag. Unlucky. I can't really show you because the stream is gonna lag. But like you jump on squares, and you try to reach the end of the map the fastest. It's a time trials speedrun type game. Based on a physics bug from Quake and Counter-Strike. And it's available on Roblox right now. And I spent the last 3 years trying to rewrite it from scratch. And I've basically coded myself into a corner by using my smartest, bestest ideas. And like it gets more complicated and more complicated and more complicated. And now I'm not smart enough to fix it and make it work. Because I've just coded myself into a corner. So I I have to stop doing that. It's just so enticing to use my best ideas when I have total freedom, free reign across the entire project. Daydreamer. How did you land on that idea for a game? I was playing Gary's Mod in 2014, Death Run, and there was a guy b-hopping, and I was like, wow, how do you do that? And he taught me how to b-hop, and I was like, wow, I love this. I bet I could make this on Roblox. And I did. I made it for me. And people kept joining the game as I was building it. And that's when I knew something was different. It's not like all the other games that I made up till then. It was a game other people were interested in. It wasn't just me. And yeah, I made the game in 2015, and it's been 11 years, I guess. And I still love working on it. Or at least I love the idea of working on it. It's become quite cumbersome now. Cause I'm stuck on the bug. It's not totally stuck though. What are my unstuck methods? One of the unstuck methods is to just give every object a skin that has a certain thickness. And instead of like trying to maintain contact lists, what does that even help? It solves some problems, but not all the problems. Yeah. I guess it fixes surfing. That's good. What's next on your list? The bug. It's been next on my list for 2 years. But I haven't been working on it continuously. I've had other things happen. So realistically, I've been stuck on the bug for more like 4 months of work, maybe. Really big bug. And I really have a grasp on it for the first time ever since last Friday. Thursday, I received that AI patch. Friday, I dissected the patch to see what the constituent parts are. Next on your list after the bug. I don't know. God, is that even reachable? I just like don't see a future where the bug is fixed. I've been beat down by the bug. What would I do? Some exciting parts, things that I'm excited for. If the bug was not real and couldn't hurt me, would be computational leaderboards, something like that, where the idea is that when you get a time on the map and you've done your speed run, it saves the keys you press, the inputs that created that run, which I already do actually. So like, oh, I'm pressing the thing and making the wiggles, and then I press B, and then it replays my inputs. So it is re-simulating the physics from scratch here, and rerunning the same inputs, and that is producing the same result. So it would save those inputs alongside your speed run and time. So like on the leaderboards, there'd be like first place, second place, third place, right? And each one would have this replay entry. But then the special part is that if there's a map update where like people are like going out of bounds and skipping part of the map, and then the community submits a map fix to patch that out of bounds exploit, what I could do is replay all of the entries, and the ones that go out of bounds are removed from the leaderboards, but the ones that don't go out of bounds stay because they still end up completing the map. So it replays the inputs one frame at a time, and if it reaches the end of the map, you're on the leaderboard. If it doesn't reach the end of the map, it's hidden from the leaderboard. And so it automatically updates the leaderboards based on the new version of the map. That's exciting to me, because that's like a problem that the Roblox game has right now, because the Roblox game does not work like that. The Roblox game only has simulation outputs on the replays. So what I was talking about, simulation inputs, right? Where it's like repressing all the keys, the same keys that you press. It's not keys, it's game inputs. So it abstracts it to like move forward and like mouse move to this location and move left. It's not like A and D. Anyways, in the Roblox game, instead of recording like move forward, move left, it records you moved to this XYZ position, then you moved here, and then you moved here, and then you moved here. So it can't re-simulate the physics. It can't it's not possible to get those leaderboard computational leaderboards. And so what ends up happening is that the moderators have to go through and check every single individual time to see if it needs to be deleted. And I don't like deleting things either. It'd be nice if it was just hidden. Does the game have any assets or visuals? Those are part of the maps. So they would be included in the map file for the Strafe client. I'm not a graphics programmer, so the game just looks bad right now. Too raw. Oh my god. Good. But yeah, I haven't started any work on multiplayer leaderboards because I wanted to have a complete single player experience where you can play the game. What is the computer doing? And like view your replays, and it works. And it just hasn't gotten to that state. Because, like, I can make all of the other infrastructure, but it's meaningless if the game doesn't work. I think I'm tuckered out for the day. It's I can only really work for a very short period of time. It's really mentally exhausting to work on. I'm an artist. Yeah, I'm completely not an artist, which is part of the reason why this game is so excellent. Is because all of the art comes with the maps, so I don't need to do any. I can just completely focus on the programming. Wow, B-Hop is popular. So this is the Roblox game, and it'll lag on stream because OBS reasons. OBS doesn't like encoding it. Might have something to do with the fact that I'm streaming at 4K 120 frames per second. There you go. Oh, really? And there's like 1,000 maps right now across B-Hop and Surf. So there's about 500 in B-Hop and 500 in Surf. I've beaten the, oh, he's tassing. So he's playing the game in slow motion and saving checkpoints to see what the fastest route is, and then going back and playing it in real time using that discovered route. Woo! Surely that's possible. Maybe not. What about the higher up platform? Whoa. Good comes. Big lag, big lag. I gotta change my streaming settings next time. It's overloading the encoder. Look at this. Here's the encoder, and you see it's dropping down now. Oh, or not. Yeah, it's quite overloaded. If you ever want textures, elements. Nice. Thanks, Roblox. Love censorship. Alright. Yeah, I am all tuckered out. I'll come back tomorrow and bang my head against the problem again. Yeah. I'm tired. All right. Cool. I like what's going on with the ratio, but I find it hard to imagine a path to merging that. Seems hard. I'm upset with the zeros rounding. I think that's kind of missing. It's like applying a specific solution to a general formula, general tool, and I think that's bad. The other constituent bits. Did I change the scene? I did not change the scene. The other constituent bits of the fixie guy, like the MD escape, I was kind of hoping I would not need to do that, but it seems like that's kind of just required. So this it was testing for the wrong thing. I was using a sort of proxy test that's like kind of close to what you should be testing for, but it's not actually what you should be testing for. So this actually tests to see if the face is coplanar with the simplex. This is actually not necessary for the AI fix, for the bug fix. This thing is pure jank, but a critically correct case that I missed. It's a missing edge case. I'll need to bang my head against it more. And then here's the stupid rounding thing. Stupid. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Oh. Why is it attacking the radicand? Right, because that's the thing that can't be represented in rational numbers. So that's where you have to pick. Alright. It ends up there. Yeah, no, that makes sense. And then this thing is screaming at me to redo ratios. Right, I can, yeah, okay. So tomorrow I guess I'll try to, yeah, I'll just keep banging my head. Okay. Bye.